Hi guys! It's Sunday and I got something for you which is perfect for the weekend. Well, it's perfect for any day really, but it's also perfect for the weekend. Today I'm gonna share with you a delicious pie recipe. It's a cheesecake pie with apples and with a delicious crumble on top. Sounds yummy? It is! So let's get started. First you want to add the softened butter into a medium bowl. And along with it add in the sugar. And then we are going to whisk the butter with the sugar for a couple of minutes until it's nice and soft and pale. Then once the butter and sugar are soft and pale like this, you can add in the egg. And then you want to continue mixing for another half a minute to 1 minute. And then you just want to beat the egg with the butter and sugar until it looks fluffy and pale and soft like this. And now we can start combining the dry ingredients. So I have here my all-purpose flour. I'm adding in the baking powder and also the oats. Then I just want to shortly mix them in. And they're ready to go in with our wet ingredients. So first we want to add in about half of the dry ingredients. Mix on low just until almost combined. This shouldn't take more than a couple of seconds. And then you want to add in the rest of your dry ingredients. And again on low just until combined. And this also shouldn't take you more than a couple of minutes. Then I have my pie dish ready and I'm just gonna butter it well from the sides and also the bottom. And then you want to transfer your batter into the pie dish. And then what you can do is first with a spoon start spreading it evenly so that you have a little bit more here on the edges, because we will need that for the sides. And then because it's a really sticky dough, you want to dip your fingers in a little bit of flour. And with those floured fingers, you want to press the dough. You can also just sprinkle just a tiny bit on top so that it doesn't stick. And then start forming the sides. So kind of pulling the batter onto the sides. And then you will notice, well, this doesn't necessarily happen, but I have now some empty spots because I was pulling the dough up for the sides. So then you just want to, again with floured fingers, just even out the base so that you have enough everywhere. Then once your base is ready, you want to leave it aside, and we are going to prepare the filling. So for the filling you will need 500 grams of quark. You can also use ricotta cheese or cream cheese instead. And then you also want to add in the sugar, 1 egg, and about a teaspoon of vanilla paste. Then just grab a fork and mix until everything is well combined. So then once it's smooth, it's well combined, you can grab back your pie dish and just add in the filling on top. And then just spread it out evenly. And then you will need about 2 to 3 apples, depending on the size of the apples. You want to de-seed them. And then you want to slice the apples, but not into really thin slices, but something like this. And then you just want to arrange the apple slices like this over your pie filling. Then I have all the ingredients for the crumble topping here, so the cold butter, the sugar and the flour, and you just want to crumble it with your fingers until you get this crumble-like structure. So once it's looking like this, you have this kind of nice crumbly pieces. You can start spreading the crumble on top of your pie. And then you just want to bake the pie according to the baking instructions that can be found in the recipe, which is linked down below in the description box. So it really is a really simple recipe. I always use quark for this pie because it's this kind of a low calorie cream cheese kind of thing that we have here in Germany. But if you don't have that available, you can also use cream cheese, regular cream cheese. You can use ricotta or something similar for the filling, and I must say this is one of the pies that I bake the most because it's super quick and easy to make, and we really love the combination of the crunchy crust, the cheesecake filling, and the apples, or sometimes I make it with berries. So I'm gonna link those other recipes that are similar to this pie so you can have a look at them here right now, but I also hope you will like this apple pie version and that you will be trying it out. If you like this recipe, you know what to do. Don't forget that thumbs up for support, and also if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now, and if you tap the bell you won't miss any of the new videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.